Okay guys, we are now at the Kasbah,
The Casbah.
which is the center of every Arab town. This is where you find, in the Kasbah, you find the main mosque,
The mosque
and
that
all
is over there in front of us.
and all the shops and restaurants
and tea houses.
and tea houses. So this is the one in Chefchaouen. Every evening you have people playing here, bands, amateur bands, which are not very amateur, they're very professional actually,
Yes.
playing here. And then later on usually you have like some kind of a Moroccan dancing show, which is also very nice. But it is the touristic area, so they put out a show for the tourists almost every night. But the restaurants here are very good. They are, I guess, for Chefchaouen on the expensive side, but the expensive side means two people about 10 euros, and you eat really nice. If the drinks is where they get you, so if you drink more than one drink each, you might end up with 12 euros for a couple.
But we haven't spent more than 15 euros in a meal.
No. Even when we went to an expensive place, we spent
Exactly.
15. Here, we just had dinner today, 3 people, 2 soups, 3 dishes, 1 Coke, and it cost us 6.5 euros with €1.50 tip, so 5 euros for 3 people to eat quite nice.
It's a local place,
Yeah.
and this guy, the cook, he feeds the homeless. So whenever you eat there, you are contributing with that thing. So
Yeah.
it doesn't have a name.
No name.
We had to go with a guy that's been living here for 4 months, a Canadian,
So he
and
knows.
he took us there because we tried to find it by our own and we couldn't.
Yeah, but if you find it, it does have a name. The prices are, the most expensive dish is 20 dinar, which is a bit less than 2 euros. So if you see something that's not more expensive than 20 dinar, that's the place. There's only one. Okay, so a little panoramic view for you. And let's walk that way.
Yeah.
Okay, so here at the Kasbah here, it's mostly tourists, so we don't need to worry that much about where we put the camera.
Yes.
And I think my postry,
Your sweet guy is
my sweet,
here.
no, she brought that from there.
Ah, no.
We'll find him. We're waiting for my sweet guy. There's a guy that walks around here with
a
cakes,
tray.
with a tray full of cakes, which are really good. It costs about €1 a cake, and they're really good. And we're waiting for him. And Murphy's Law, he's not here. But if we do find him and we get the cakes, we'll show you the cakes that we bought. And well, guys, so this is Chefchaouen. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you. Tomorrow we're going to another city.
What?
No matter.
No matter.
Tomorrow we're going to another city, so we'll show you more of that place. And if you saw Tangier, we hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't, go back and watch that. It's really awesome.
Yeah,
we think.
Tangier was amazing.
Yeah. And we're going to do Marrakesh, Fez. We have a few more destinations here in Morocco. We fell in love with the country. We really, really have. And hopefully
this place in particular is magical.
it is magical. Again, recommended 100%. Doesn't take much of a budget to live here. Maybe depends where you are in the world. Maybe getting here will be a bit of a story,
Yeah.
but not necessarily. You go to Turkey, they have flights all the time.
All the time.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So if you like what you've seen, please subscribe, like, and comment. All of those are very important to us. And we'll see you.
Next adventure.
Yeah. Okay.